Well, let's start with the right side. So I have pots hanging back here. You remember the wood. The black one doesn't stay there all the time, but it is more forceful with air than the Arctic air. So I do put it in front of the Arctic air. Okay. Behind this curtain is my 1,000 watt, which I bought very first one. This is like 6 years old. What a workhorse. Runs all my fans and charges, and does run a refrigerator when I run it. That's a refrigerator. I'm using it as a cooler. It has cracked, and I think it's not safe to use. I'm always worried about the batteries. So my stove stays on there. Behind this curtain is jars of food, spices, things like that, as well as the 1,000 watt L.A.V.A. I'm hoping this is lucky. It's supposed to be lucky bamboo, so we'll see. We'll see how lucky it is. And of course, Troy's lamp. He's got 2 of them. Troy bought 2 of them for me. And my pot holders I hang up there. All my wiring, yes. I have in 6 years not figured out a better way to do this without a lot of holes. My freezer, which is an ice co, and then a bench underneath that with shelving, which is canned food. You can see Miss Marley. So food lined up down here, medicine in the little refrigerator. You know, just different things in here, toothpaste, toothbrushes, things like that. Over here are a few more spices and things. My biggest problem is my clothing, which is up here and on a shelf over there. You name it. Creams. My desk underneath there. Over here is also another L.A.V.A. behind this is a 300 watt L.A.V.A. I'm messing with this. I'll be repainting it and all that. I don't like it, but it keeps everything in. It's a whole shelving unit, and behind here are dishes and medicine and a 300 watt L.A.V.A. You know, just a normal. Now that curtain there has a 2,000 L.A.V.A. behind it and tools. Here, down here behind this curtain is jars of food. There's Marley's water and her food. Water, you know, just miscellaneous. My little carpet. There's Miss Marley. Yeah, she's moved. It is a little warm in here. Let me see. How warm is it? It is 93. Yeah. If you can even see that. I doubt it. I doubt you can see it. 93. So the drawer has medicine and smaller batteries, solar batteries. And I make myself notes up there. It's just pencils, a little office area. And then my trash is in the front. I take that every day. Start every day, every morning. So my trash is there. I have a bucket for water when I'm washing things, because I wash things all the time. And condensation and ice that turns into water in the cooler all have to come out. So, yeah. And that's my donation bag of food, my beginning. That's another 2,000 on the bottom shelf, L.A.V.A. Then clothing. And then my air fryer oven that sits up there. So this is basic. And that little cabinet there has been here forever, the little white one that carries all kinds of creams and lotions and you name it, it's got it. And then the toilet is on the other side, and then there's more containers of baggies, and behind all that is more stuff. Toilet, extra paper towels. You know you have to have extra. When you buy a paper towel, normally you buy 2 or 3. So this is basically it. And I'm sitting on my bed and the bed's made up of 2 hassocks. Each hassock has tools in it. Whether it's boxes of tools, nuts and bolts, and mixing bowls that are too big for anything else, but mainly tools. I have saws and drills and compact drills and you name it, all kinds of stuff. But that's the tin I got in Tennessee. My grandson's up there in the corner. And of course my little window back here, pushing all the hot air out through there. My Arctic airs. And then down here are 2 containers, bins. On the other side of the ice co are bins like this. This is where all my utensils go. And then underneath is Marley's goodies. All her little goodies go down there. My vinegar and spray bottle right down there. That's what I use. So that's pretty basic, guys. It's about as clean as it's gonna get. I keep a runner running in here. No, it doesn't move or anything. And that bench is an antique from the 1930s. It's a workman's bench where he would carry his tools on the shelf, and then he would use it to sit on and work. Solid. It's almost 100 years old, but it's a great bench. And my canned food and bottles go on the shelf and underneath it. My crocheted curtain and the door, of course. And the front I have a hassock that Marley lays on, and that has extra jars of food, paperwork, books and things like that. So, pretty basic. My setup is pretty basic. You can see my ceiling. On one side's got that cork board on it too. I never got the other side done because it's always been so full. But yeah, that's what Mike helped me with. I did it for insulation, for circulation. I'm very happy that I did it that way. I know a lot of people like solid wood. I just worry about mold, so I do all kinds of stuff. And my curtains, and second series of curtains, so keep the lighting out. But yes, here we are. Here's the bed. Well, I'm getting ready to vacuum. I just did all my laundry today, all my bedding, all my blankets, all my carpets. Washed all of that today. So, and that's not a real radio. That's a wax warmer. Imitation radio. So I hope you enjoyed this look. I'll see you next time. And of course, that's a water bottle, but water under the bed. You only got 38 square feet, so you really fill it. But I love that little air fryer and oven. It's perfect. I have another air fryer, a small one underneath where this curtain is. And rice cookers where this desk opens up. You got a rice cooker and a fryer, an oil fryer, French fryer. So it's pretty basic, guys. I keep dishes and pots and pans over in here. That's full. You have to empty it out when you want to use it. And this is one of the silicone bags. I keep it up there. I will also have a bungee cord that comes around, and when I'm traveling it holds that tight. This is stuff that has to come out. Double bend. So I'll be taking it out. Now some of my food's down in here. I keep potatoes and onions and garlic and whatever in here. That's going to be thrown away, but here's my donation bag. That'll disappear. So yeah, it's just, here's the ice co. Love this ice co. They're very expensive, but I'll tell you, they're worth the money. I keep it strapped down. Right now I'm going to strap it down. Oh, not wrong. Yeah. There we go. Yep. Canned goods. You see that? Yep. Yep. And a little basket. I mean, you can just hang little things everywhere. I'm telling you. Make it work. You just make it work. That's what you do. I'm looking at my bed now. It's underneath the bed. Jars and water. Yeah. Looks chaotic, but it's not really. It's not. There's a place for everything. It hasn't changed a lot in quite a few years. The wiring is still there. Drives me crazy, but I have never figured out what else to do with it. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about it. It's free. And commenting. I make my money off the views. So if you stay 3 or 4 minutes, it really helps me make a few bucks. I'll talk to you later. See you next time.